States, a lot of you waking up looking at those lotto tickets. Did you win? Well, look, this is a big one. There are no big winners in Saturday night's Powerball, so the jackpot just got even bigger. Players were hoping to score a $476 million jackpot, but the numbers just didn't add up.
There is a silver lining if you still want to be super, mega rich. People can try for the next Powerball drawing Wednesday. The jackpot will be worth even more. A winner or winners could take home $620 million. And of course, this came just a day after nobody won the Mega Millions jackpot Friday. That's now worth $1.6 billion. All right, we are following some tropical storms along Mexico's west coast. No matter how much money you have, just get away from there.
Yeah, storms. Derek Van Dam is here with us.
So some of the latest information from the National Hurricane Center just coming into us here at CNN. Tropical storm Willa, just off the southwest coast of Mexico, has now strengthened, rapidly intensifying. That is classified by increasing 35 miles per hour in less than 24 hours. So that's a term we use, rapid intensification. It's now a hurricane. It's expected to become a major hurricane before slamming the coast of Mexico. And then where it goes from there, well, listen up. I'll give you all the details. Check out the graphics behind me. We've got a lot to cover. The eastern Pacific is really starting to light up in terms of tropical activity. We have Tropical Storm Vincent, also Willa. This is the storm that we're concerned about. Satellite becoming more and more organized. 85 mile per hour sustained winds. That was 60 miles per hour about 20 minutes ago. Of course, we get the 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time update from the National Hurricane Center. This is the latest information we can give you. And just as this recurves to the north and east, look at that. It goes from a Category 1 to a Category 3 to a Category 4, perhaps winds over 140 miles per hour before starting to temporarily weaken, before reaching the mainland of Mexico, and then moving inland. It becomes a tropical disturbance, but then produces a significant amount of rain in the flood-stricken central and western sections of Texas. So the United States will feel the impacts of Willa. But look at the water temperatures that this is moving over. Upper 80s for this region. That is just jet fuel for hurricanes to form, to deepen, to strengthen, and that's exactly what we've seen with Willa. Let's talk about Tropical Storm Vincent, because not as impressive on satellite imagery, but nonetheless, these two storms working together to create an abundant amount of moisture across this part of Mexico. So anyone maybe having holiday plans into Puerto Vallarta and into the Acapulco region, maybe you want to second guess that one and maybe take advantage of that travel insurance, right? Because you want to delay your flights and delay your travel plans, because it will definitely be washed out and the potential for flooding exists across that region. Hey, thanks for watching this morning. If you get the chance, anywhere in the world, we have the potential for seeing a very impressive meteor shower taking place tonight and into Monday night. So the peak time about 9:30 to 2 a.m. local time. Look into the southwestern sky in the northern hemisphere or the northwestern sky in the southern hemisphere. Look for Orion's belt and you'll be able to see Orionid meteor shower. That is where you'll see anywhere between 15 to 20 meteors per hour at its peak intensity. This is actually from some of the fragments and leftover space debris from Halley's Comet, which actually passes by the Earth every 75 to 76 years. It leaves some of the rock debris in its wake, and just every once in a while we start to go through that orbit and we get this beautiful light up in our skies.
Okay, well, walk out of the building and go
get away from the city lights, though. Very important. Okay. Sorry.
All right, Derek, thank you.
Well, Prince Harry in Australia has opened up the Invictus Games.
The setting was spectacular, as you can see right there, Sydney's legendary Opera House. The British royal created this annual sporting event for wounded and ailing military veterans. Prince Harry called the competitions a symbol of strength. More than 500 service members from 18 countries are taking part. The Duke of Sussex and his pregnant wife, Meghan, are on their first royal tour abroad, which also includes visits to New Zealand and Fiji.
The couple earlier attended a reception inside the Opera House. The Duchess skipped another event because she's tired.
Her first trip abroad, 3 countries, and she's pregnant. Well, we're with you, Meghan. All right, our top stories are just ahead here.
20 years ago.